Masakit yung kanyang. Yan. May laro pa yan. Another day, another 3 games today. Do this, Zach.
Oh, I can't.
You can't? So how you gonna run today?
I can't run. It's
You-
just when I twist it.
You can run?
Look, it's when I twist it.
Alis na kami, guys.
I'm not going.
Yeah, at hindi sasama. Wala na siyang boses.
Kaya nga, sana
Wala nang
iwan mo
boses.
kahapon.
Kaya nga. And eto na maalam na ayaw niya ng maon. Nagamit ko pa ito kahapon. Wala na, guys. Ayaw niya na. Ayan siya, oh. Wala na talaga. Ayaw na.
Kung i-on mo through this. Yan, ayaw din.
Trinay ko. Wala.
Tanggalin mo daw yung battery.
Yes, babe. Wala.
Wala talaga.
Oh, pahingayin mo muna. Gusto mo
Ay, nai-stress ako. Wala. Ang gamit ko yung phone na. Kasi ayaw niya na talagang mag-on. Ginamit ko pa siya kanina nung nag-ano si Zach. Nung nilalagyan ng band-aids yung kanyang paa. Tapos nung iba-vlog ko na yung mga bata kanina sa baba, ayaw niya na mag-on. Ayan. Hindi ko naman siya ginamit kahapon sa labas kasi ang gamit ko yung aking phone. So, trinay ko rin ilagay itong yung extra battery niya. Ayan. Nagi-green siya, diba? Kasi full na to. Kasi chinarge ko nga siya kagabi. Nagamit ko pa nga kanina nung linagyan ng bandage yung paa ni Zach. Ayan, oh. Ayaw niya na mag-on. Ayaw na. Tapos pag linagay ko itong battery, nagi-green siya. Ayan, oh. So, sabi ni CC Race, kailangan daw ito talagang i-sense mismo sa DJI para ma-fix. Alis pa naman tayo. Alis kami, diba? Tapos, ay naku, na-stress ako. Ano nang pang-vlogging natin. So, lagay ko na to dito kasi nag-sign off na siya. Wala pang, nung January 12 ko ata ito nabili. January, February, March, April, May. 4 months lang, guys. 4 months lang natin siya na hindi nga masyadong diba? Kasi may problema din. Ay, ewan ko. Dati yung screen, ngayon wala na. Wala na. And yun nga, si Holly hindi na sumama kasi medyo inuubo na siya kasi kahapon. Basang-basa siya. Ewan ko sa kanya. Kasi sabi ko pumasok na siya kahapon. Kalaro niya si Mackenzie. Yung kadance sa niya rin. Classmate niya sa dance. Kasi yung kuya niya ka-team ni Zach dito sa Sapsasa. So naglaro sila. Nakita ko na sila. Sabi ko pumasok na kayo bago umulan. Yung pagpasok ko dito wala sila. Ayun. Nagpaulan yung dalawa. Ay. Okay, good luck, Saki. Thanks, Saki. Kuya, good morning, ya. Oh. Morning, ya.
Good morning.
Morning, Zach. May dala na tayong towel. Kahapon naiwan yung towel. Ngayon may dala na tayong towel. Did you bring your extra socks? Alright. Sabi ko magdala siyang extra. Kasi dalawa yung binili sa kanya ni Jana. Pang sapsasa na socks. So at least kung mabasa yun, meron pa siya mamaya. Kasi 3 games ulit sila eh. 11:30, right, babe? The first game? Or 11? 11:30 or 11? Yes, 11. 11. Yung kagabi sabi ko sa inyo maliligo ako. Hindi na ako nakaligo guys. Pagod na pagod yung aking katawan. And nag-hot chocolate pa kami ni Sisi. Chika-chika ang konti. And pag akyat ko, nag-skincare lang ako. Tapos ngayon na lang ako naligo. basa pa yung ating buhok. Mamaya, anuhin ko to. Itatali ko to mamaya. And, doble-doble yung atin. Mayroon akong heat tech. Tapos jacket. Tapos itong vest. And then, susutin ko ulit yung brown. From Uniqlo. Yun ulit ang aking gagamitin sa araw na to. Kasi tingnan nyo yung ulan. Pangit, tingnan nyo. Saan na ba yung ano nito? Pangit ng weather ulit. Ayan. Maulan. Pero yung wind hindi ganun kalakas compare kahapon. Ewan ko na lang mamaya. Di pa rin siya tapos manood ng mga kuha ko. Good, Zach? Zaki, how's my filming? Pretty bad? Why?
Because, you gotta like scar ground.
Kasi yung iba nasa ano, nasa sky, nasa ground. Kasi sobrang excited ko eh.
Soccer there.
Look at that one. Ah, this is soccer.
That's
What's that? Sorry. Ayan, meron ng mga naglalaro. Siguro yung mga 9:30 sila. So, hanap tayo ng parking. And, nag-clear up na dito. Oh, blue sky. Sana ganito na. Sana ganito na hanggang mamayang hapon. Kasi hindi namin alam saan tayo kukuha ng parking. Ang layo ng aparta namin. Doon sa pinakadulo. Lampas pa na West Beach Park. Yung Big 4. Nandiyan sa loob si Sak sa first aid para magpa-bandage sa kanyang isang paa kasi masakit. So, ayusin lang. Ayan na si Sak. Bis na siya. Thank you! Nakahat na tayo and sunnies and yung boys mag-start na. Yan yung boys natin sa day 2, first game. Ayan si Sak. Siya yung nagpipili ng ano, yung coins. Ang pinipili niya lagi tail. Laging talo yung tail. Head yung laging panalo. Kasi pipili sila pag tail, kung ano man mapili, pipili sila kung ano yung gusto nilang goaler, dito or doon. Okay, hala. Good luck, boys. Ayan si Sak. Go, Sak. Oh! Oh, come on, Sak! Uy! Again, natatalo tayo. 3 goals na yung kalaban. Wala pa tayo kahit points. Go, David! Second quarter na. Lamang yung kalaban ng isang goal. Tumakbo ako doon kay Sak para ibigay yung kanyang water. Ayan na. Go, Sak! What? Oh, I know. Go, Sak! Good job! Have a shot. Go, Sak! Go, Sak! Go, Zachary! Go, Dave! Go! Come on, just kick it. No, no. Good job. See? Oh. No, go, go. Another one, Zach. Good job. Go. Go, Dave. Kick it, David. Oh, man. What? Green, go, Green. Yes. Go, Zach. He tripped. Go, Zachary. Oh my God. Come on, boys. Get it. Go, David. Ay! Sorry, love. Ayan po siya. Talo tayo sa first game. 3 goals, right, Zach? You lost 3 goals? Yeah. And si Kuya. What did you get? Yeah. Which one is better? Cheese or sour cream? Sour cream and onions. Ito, yung binili natin, kung maalala nyo. Mas masarap daw to kaysa cheese. Malilit lang siya, mini. Mag-start na yung second game. And bumili ako ng Boost. Ito yung Mango Tango. Meron sila dun, no? May mga food truck dun. Diyan. Kaya galing. Okay, nasara manalo sila this time. Suck. Good job, Jackie. Come on! Oh! Yes! Go, Brock! Go, Dave! Go, Dave! Yeah. Good job, Mitch. Go, Green. Oh. Good job! Good job!
Stand this side,
This
man.
side.
Stand down this side. Stand on this wing, mate.
Go. Good kick. Come on, run, Green. Oh, no! Where are you? Good job. Come on, Shep. Get him. Oh, my God. Shep! Oh, my God. They're quick.
Good job, Saki boy.
Boys, come on. Good job, Saki boy. Good job. Oh. Come on, boys. Get him. Get up. Get it up. Kick. Oh, come on. Get it. Get it, Zach. Go, Saki.
No, it's because it's south.
Come on. Yes. Kuya, get the water. Give it to Zach. Okay. Tapos na yung first quarter. I had time 1 point. 1 goal tayo. Tapos may point yung kabila. 1 goal. Ulit ng second game. Come on, Green. Oh, you could have run. Okay, isa. Ang galing na siya mag-handle. Mag-mark. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on. No one's here.
Here,
guys,
here.
Got it! that was close. That was close. Panalo tayo. 4 points. Ang galing ng Saki boy natin. Siya talaga yung nag-ano, di ba? Ang nakasuming. Bigay ko to sa kanya. Sak! Good job. So proud of you.
Great grinding out again. Hey, well done. You should be very proud of yourself. You know what I'm really, really happy with is you guys sticking to the game plan. So, boys, guess what? Put yourselves. So, oh, fellas,
Yeah, what
stop.
happened?
I just heard.
That one, someone scratched you. How's your foot now? It's better? Good. We're staying here, hon. Kuya, put it back there. We're staying here. Si Kuya, binila niya rin si Sak ng spudge. Ano yung patatas na may... This is spudge, right, Kuya? Potato and mince.
Wait, what do you have? What do you have?
So, after 1 hour, balik ulit
What
siya
was
sa
yours
game.
on the mango?
Yeah, mango tango. What did you get? What did you get? Same? Yung sa akin na kay Sak na. Meron siyang, ano dyan, no? Bruise na naman sa mukha. Na ano siya, nasapak. Binigay na ni Sak yung tira niya sa daddy niya. Si Kuya naubos niya yung kanya. Naubos na ni Sak. Is it yummy, yeah? That one? Kuya? What? That one? You have to save your belly for later. Punta kami ng Watermark for dinner. Yung eat all you can. Ayan si Sak nakahiga sa grass. Meron pa silang 1 hour bago yung laro nila. Ngayon, ito yung mga naglalaro. Meron pa dun sa kabilang oval, madaming naglalaro. Meron doon mga nag-warm up. And doon sa kabilang oval, meron din naglalaro. Dalawa rin doon. Tapos doon sa likod. Ang daming oval dito. Sabay-sabay sila naglalaro. Mamaya sila Sak naman. After nito, sila nang next. Next na sila Sak. Dito tayo sa tent. Mababasa na naman sila Sak. After nito, sila Sak na 5 minutes more. Yeah. Andun sila, oh. Inano nila, binaliktad nila yung kanilang damit kasi yung magiging kalaban nila ay halos pareho yung color. Ayan, yan yung magiging kalaban for the last game today. Oh, really? Oh, hindi pala head and tail. Jack and Poy sila. So, doon yung ating doon yung ating go. Go boys. Pasati. Napatumbang Saki boy. Hindi ko na kung ano naka-go si Sak. Na-excite tayo eh. Come on, another go, boy. Come on, go, kick! Go, kick! Good boy. Oh, dali! Go, kick! Oh! Nakuha na talaga. come on. Go, Dave. Oh, no. Bounce, yes, out. Come on, Dave. Oh, Zach. Go, Zach. Hold. Fine. Kick. Go, bro. Balis ng water. Tapos na yung first quarter. Patay ng tubig. Go, Zach.
Ned, drop back.
Chelsea's down all harder, man.
Go. Go. Run down. Oh, oh my God. Come on. Well done, boys. Oh my God. Sobrang close. Kung hindi na goal ni Saktalo sila. Oh my God. Very good. Nagsitalunan yung mga parents. Ang ganda ng laro. Almost 2 minutes na lang. Well done, Saki boy.
Excited for you. Well done. Hey, let's see if we can get some more wins tomorrow.
Yeah,
Good job, Sak. Oh my God, well done, Sak. Yeah.
me.
The first one, but you did it. Well done, Sak. You nearly broke the bloody...
Made your crowd go wild, man.
Napanalo ni Sak kasi ilang 2 minutes.
That was calm there.
No, yeah, but you make it win. You've been fighting for that ball and then you...
Yeah, but I could have got that.
Yeah, you could have got 2 goals. But at least you fight for another one. Nakiswimming pala dito si Kuya nung kinuha namin yung car. Si Kuya na dito nakiswimming. Si Sak, nag-ano lang si Sak, nagtampisaw lang kasi masakit yung legs niya.
That's it.
And change gears as well.
Are they automatic?
Yeah, they want pedals.
Nag-rent sila ng bike.
Like, you can get it on
Si Shane,
8 days.
kapatid ni Mitch.
You meant to have helmets?
Hiniram ni Kuya. Nakaligo na pala sila. Nag-shower na sila. Si Sak nasa loob siya kasi bro. Alright, dito si Jan sa reception kasi magpapabook tayo for next weekend. Dito tayo sa Sabado. Dala natin yung caravan. On the other side. Here, Daddy's here.
Yeah, if you don't go there.
Yeah, but I'm just gonna... Oh, okay. Ayun na si Jen. Papabook lang siya. Ayun yung mga pasa. Where is it? The pasa. Yeah.
Here, TJ.
Bugbog sarado yung muka. Oops. Last day tomorrow. 3 more games tomorrow. So, meron silang talong isa today. 2 panalo. Kahapon, lahat panalo. Yung 3 games. Meron ko nakitang masitas. Ay, masitas. Masitas kasi sa Bicol. Yung plant na katulad dun sa ibabaw ng ref. Ayan, yan, oh. Ang tangkad na yung sa kanya. Sabi rin sa akin, tatangkad daw yun. Ayan, ganda siya. Diligan ko yun pag uwi. Kasi never ko pa siya nadiligan since nung binili ko siya. Kasi sabi, hindi naman daw kailangan araw-araw. Diligan yun. Okay lang daw yun. So, okay naman kasi hindi pa siya dry. Ayun nga, dry na, oh. Yung kanyang soil. Ang ganda. Ayan, taas ng isa. Yung 2. 3, bali 3 siya. 1, 2, 3. Ganda. Okay. What's that? Alright. Punta na tayo sa Watermark. Nakabook na tayo for next weekend. Go in. Oy, punta na tayo ng Landmark. Renmark. Watermark.
Yeah, we're at Renmark.
Si Holly nandun kay Tita Ray's.
You won't pass that. Oh, really? Promise? Yep. Hey, Dad, this is what I did to the kid. Oh, he's like, hands.
Oh, I don't. This is Uniqlo. Uniqlo. Ayan, sinuot ko na kasi ang lamig. Kung buhok natin, okay lang yan. Uniqlo. Stop because they might go to the road. Ulit nitong bata ka. Come on, do it tomorrow.
Hold it.
What are you gonna eat? Pizza?
Why don't you say, come on, You just bump him and leave it. I do. Bullshit. He runs away. Oh, you wanted? Yeah, I didn't.
Hurry up, boys. Oh, you're leading, yeah? Monster, yun na si Sak.
Where's honey sweet chicken?
Here. Ah, no, there. There. Oh, where is it? Oh, on the other side. Prawns and etong favorite ko, chili seafood. Masarap talaga to. Yung isda nila, tingnan natin. Baramandi ngayon. And rice. Si Kuya. Si John. Ayan na si John. Lasagna. Pizza. Hey, Dino. What are you gonna have? Everything. I know, it's muscles. Ayan, salad. Okay, let's eat. Are you done eating your dinner?
Yes, I'm going to
Dessert. Dessert na siya. Tapos na ako. Si Jan, dessert na siya. Dessert na si Jan. Pinagtatawanan nila yung kinuha kong dessert kasi kunti-kunti lang kasi kinuha ko para matikman ko. Ayan. Madami pa doon. Kain. Kanina pa pala kayo tapos kumain and yung mga bataan doon sa kabila naglalaro ng footy. Ayan. Doon sa kanina pa. Yes! We're going. Ayan, hiwa-hiwalay na kami. Medyo malayo yung pinagparkan namin. Sabi ni Jan, kailangan daw namin yung sa daming kinain. Siya, ang dami niyang kinain. Dami-dami niyang kinain. Ako halos yung mussels, yung maanghang, yung mixed seafood yung kinuha ko doon. Tapos yung noodles. And bumalik ako, kumuha ulit ako ng mussels. And yeah, yung mixed seafoods. And dessert. Yung dessert na nakita nyo, yun lang. So, balikan na natin si Holly. Na-miss ko na yung babaeng yun.
This is mine, not yours.
Careful. Yun tayo.
Got your line on.
Filmed it in Sydney and my sister auditioned.
I didn't know that.
Yes.
Oh. Did she?
So I reckon it was filmed in 97, came out in 90.
Dito na kami, guys. Love you. Good. Is that kuya? Bye. Bigay na sa'yo, Aga. Yes?
Thank you, man. Jealous of the indie.
Oh, cute.
Oh, sweetie pie. Say bye to Ate Holly. Ate Holly's going tomorrow. He's going home. And Tito John too is going home. Auntie's in her house. Huh? Yeah, she's coming to your birthday. Don't worry. Say bye. High five. A big one. A really
Paalam
big
na
one.
kasi bukas maaga kami. Di ba?
Because I think I do.